All right, good evening, guys. This evening, I just want to do a quick analysis on Xauusd. So, this is more like a pre-market analysis on Xauusd. So, this is the daily time frame. You understand? So, from this daily time frame, we have markets. When market got to this demand zone, market pushed up from this demand zone, as you can see. So market reacted from this demand zone. So after reacting from this demand zone, we had this bullish move here. We had a bullish move like this. So inside here, we go to the 4-hour time frame. We go to the 4-hour. So this is the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have to read the structures to know what's happening inside this 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, after price taps into this demand zone, we had a break of structure here. We had this break of structure. So price tapped into the origin, which is here. Price tapped in and gave us another break of structure here. Another break of structure. So price came back, tapped into this origin and gave us another break of structure here. After this break of structure, price still came back, tapped into the origin, which is this other block here, and gave us another break, which is this break of structure. This break of structure, which this was supposed to be our protected low. This low here was supposed to be our protected low. So it was supposed, price was not supposed to break it. But as price broke it, it's now a change of character, as you can see. As price was able to break this low, it now becomes a change of character from this place, right here. So reading the internal structures, we had a break of structure here. We had a break of structure here. Yeah. And we had this as a change of character right here. Or rather this low. We had a change of character right here. So price came, tapped into the origin, which this other block was the supply zone that caused this change of character. It's here. This is the place that caused this change of character, but price reacted from this recent other block here and dropped, giving us another break of structure here. You can see this was another break of structure. So from this break of structure like this is the other block. From this break of structure like this, sorry guys. So from this break of structure, this is the other block that caused this change of character here. This other block caused this change of character. So, but let's just leave this internal structure. Let's focus on this main structure, this swing structure. Let's focus on the swing structure. All right. So this place we had this break, which is the last break of structure to the upside. This one particularly, because this is the swing structure. So this was the last break of structure to the upside, and price came down. Instead of respecting this low, price cleared the low here, giving us a change of character. So I'll put it as a change of character. So this is a change of character. So this change of character, this is the other block This other block is the other block we are expecting price to come into for us to take a sell, because we have shifted from bullish to bearish on this move. You understand? That's was where we shifted from bullish to bearish. You understand? So why we will be taking ourselves from this origin is, number one, we have an imbalance. We have an imbalance level inside. You can see this candle and this candle didn't touch, so we have this inefficient level here. Although price have pushed up to feel it small, to feel like half of it, but we still have tiny gap inside. Let me show you. So we still have this gap. Sorry, not this gap. So we still have this gap. Yeah. So this gap inside between this other block and this candle, we still have an imbalance level there. So I'm expecting price to come, still come up like this, fill in the imbalance, mitigate this other block. Then if we see our confirmation from inside this other block, so then we sell from there. You understand? So right now we'll be looking for buys. So our entry will not be a buy to sell. You understand? So we'll buy markets to sell from this other block here. So on this 4-hour time frame, we now go to the 2-hour time frame. So on this 2-hour time frame, let's just leave the 4-hour supply zone. Let's leave this other block like this. Let's not refine it, because we have not price have not gotten there for us to look for entry there. So let's just use the 4-hour other block. So looking for buys now, we have this break of structure here. You can see we have a break of structure, and we have this to be a change of character. This is a change of character. So price came after this change of character. Price came into the origin. Price came and tapped into the origin, which is this other block here. This is demand zone. Price tapped inside and bounced. But price broke this high, but didn't close above it. So this is more like a sweep. So price swept the high, but didn't close above the high. So this is not a valid break of structure. You understand? So what we are now looking for is for price to either come here. So price to either come here, then go up, or price will take out this low, because this low didn't give us a break of structure. So I'm expecting price to take out this low, use it as liquidity to tap into this zone, another block here, to go up. But we'll still refine down to 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is my entry time frame. So we'll still refine down to 15 minutes to check if there is still an imbalance level inside this place. So from this 2-hour time frame, we still refine our entry to the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have the demand zone here at this level. So you can see we have this 1 hour demand zone. You can see price didn't tap the other block, and we still have imbalance there. You can see. So which I'm now expecting price to come down. I'm expecting price to drop, clear this, take out this as liquidity to mitigate this other block, then buy from there. You understand? So from there we go to 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this is 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes, refining the 30 minutes order block, we have this down, we have this other block here, this 30 minutes order block. So yes, yeah. So we have this 30 minutes order block, which is here. We have this to be the 30 minutes order block right here. Yeah, this is the 30 minutes order block. So, and we still have imbalance there. So what I'm expecting now, let's check the 15 minutes to know if there's still okay. So 15 minutes order block is the same as the 30 minutes order block. They have the same equal high and same, like they have the same candle body. So let's just wait for it on the 30 minutes time frame so that we'll have a summarized chart, more summarized chart on the 30 minutes, as the other blocks are the same. So no much refinement. So wait for it on the 30 minutes. So this 30 minutes now, this is the other block we're going to wait for. This other block here. Yeah, so right here. So what we are now going to do is to place our order. So we are going to take a buy from this other block right here, this other block here. All right. So we are now expecting price to come down, take out this low as liquidity, tap into this other block, filling the imbalance, tap into this other block, then bounce. You understand? So that's what I'm anticipating. So from this place now, we place our order from here. Okay, so this is it. Stop loss maybe just below this place, like this. Then we target the high. You can target this high, or you can still just keep it at 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward. So let's just leave it like this. So this will now be our trade, a limit order. So this is it. So now place our limit order. So place our limit order. So it's gonna be a buy limit. I'm coming out. So it's gonna be, sorry. So it's gonna be a buy limit, buy limits, buy limit order on Xauusd. Entry price is equals to entry price is what is the entry price? The entry price is 4551. You just shift this, let's adjust this. Okay, so entry price is 4551.38. 4551.38. Stop loss will be 4 Our stop loss is 4530.49. Our take profit is four six 27.71. Yeah, so remember to always apply proper risk management. Yeah, so that's it. So this is our setup on Xauusd. The buy limits are down. Sorry. So this is on Xauusd. So we are expecting to buy from this place. So when price gets here, when price gets to this level, this place, then we should be looking for sales from there. So we are expecting price to come down, sweep this last liquidity, mitigate this other block, buy from there. So when price gets here, when price gets to this level, then we'll now look for sales opportunity inside this place. You understand? So we look for selling opportunity from this place. So that's it, guys. Make sure you apply proper risk management because nothing is guaranteed in trading. So just the only thing you can guarantee is the amount of money you want to risk. You understand? So always apply proper risk management. So that's it, guys. Bye for now.